Are you ready? A storm of emotions is about to hit. The engine roars, tearing through the air, the cracking sound of wood shattering echoes in your chest, and in just seconds, these giant trees fall like defeated warriors. It's a sight that leaves you breathless. This isn't just any cedar tree. It's a colossal force of nature. With a trunk 10 feet wide, its sheer size makes everything around it seem insignificant. Look at the worker standing beside it. He's like David facing Goliath, standing brave against this towering giant. But don't be mistaken, this isn't an easy battle. Armed with only a 42-inch barn axe, this lumberjack took down a legend. That's strength, courage, and mastery of a craft honed over years. This is the pinnacle of the profession. It's not just the men who conquer these challenges. Here she is, with a chainsaw in hand, cutting through that giant tree with precision, grit, and determination. I can't take my eyes off her confidence and skill. She's unstoppable. Just thinking about transporting logs weighing tens of tons through rugged, muddy roads and harsh weather is overwhelming. These drivers face treacherous curves, difficult paths, and conditions that are never on their side. What a feat of endurance! Right in front of you, this terrifying table saw accident sends chills down your spine. Just one small mistake, and it could turn into a tragedy. Let's learn from this to ensure future safety. The operator of the Massey Ferguson 265 is up against nature itself. The stubborn tree stump fights back, but he stands his ground. One wrong pull could be disastrous, but he knows exactly what to do. Would you dare to drive on such a dangerous path? Just imagining being a passenger on that truck sends chills down my spine. One small mistake, and it could be catastrophic. A falling tree can be unpredictable and deadly when it barber chairs. Never underestimate the power of nature. Always keep a safe distance and predict the direction of the fall, because 1 second of miscalculation can cost you your life. The SP661LF harvester head is like something from the future. Every move is smooth, precise, and almost intelligent, effortlessly slicing through massive trunks. It's a true powerhouse of modern forestry, showcasing the incredible strength and precision of cutting-edge technology. Absolutely awe-inspiring. The Scania R650 V8 is pure power and luxury combined. Every detail exudes sophistication, making it the dream truck for any driver. Sitting in that plush cabin, with the V8 roaring beneath you, it's not just driving. It's an experience of absolute freedom and control. A true game changer. Under a thick blanket of snow, the C870M powers through, unstoppable, like a force of nature. My God, it just keeps going, like nothing can even touch it. This machine doesn't just work, it dominates, plowing through harsh conditions without breaking a sweat. It's a beast, a true workhorse, worth every single penny for the sheer unmatched performance it delivers. Unbelievable. Standing near a falling tree? Are you crazy? The danger is intense, but oh man, watching that chainsaw in action is pure adrenaline. The power and precision are unforgettable, absolutely unreal. The best truck drivers always leave us in awe with their incredible skills. Wow, just look at how he's handling that tight turn. It's pure mastery. The precision, the control. It's like watching a performance. Every move is calculated, and he makes it look so easy. This is skill at the highest level, and it's absolutely mind-blowing to witness. If your heart's still pounding after all that action, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Even bigger machines and even more jaw-dropping moments are on the way. You're in for a wild ride, so stay tuned.
A little bit fast. I think that Nancy, and we'll talk to you later.
Back in the day, you'd rarely see women in the logging industry. But now, these ladies are rewriting the rules. It takes sheer guts, strength, and determination to thrive in this field. Hats off to these trailblazers, paving the way for future generations. Respect where it's due. Cutting wood is so dangerous, it's really meant for professionals. I'm honestly scared for him. Please, let him be safe. Let's start with the TechGiantX X822D, a mechanical giant built for Michigan's unforgiving terrain. With its powerful TechGiantX 5702 hot saw head, this beast makes quick work of even the toughest trees. Hardwood or softwood, it doesn't matter. The precision and force here are unreal. Get ready to be blown away by Bell's 8,000 circular saw firewood processor. Armed with a 125 horsepower electric engine, it slices through logs at lightning speed. Perfect firewood in seconds. This game changer will revolutionize any serious operation. Who needs an axe when you have this? Ready to see destruction in its finest form? The CID Forestry Disc Mulcher chews through 4-inch diameter material like it's nothing. 8-inch trees? Not a problem. This beast, with its replaceable teeth and high-torque engine, devours anything in its path. Sit back and watch the carnage. Here's some clever thinking for you. No heavy machinery? No problem. Watch as this guy uses his truck and a perfectly placed rope to pull out a stubborn stump. It's all about technique. Sometimes, outsmarting the challenge is all you need to get the job done. Genius, right? Looking for a sawmill that packs power without emptying your wallet? Norwood's Frontier. OS27 is a budget-friendly beast that doesn't compromise on performance. Tough, reliable, and built to last, this workhorse will keep your operation running smoothly and efficiently. Ready to upgrade? The D8 dozer is a masterpiece of engineering, but its power comes at a price. This land-clearing giant is efficient, but in 2022 alone, we lost 12.7 million hectares of irreplaceable forest. It's time to rethink how we balance progress with preservation, because the cost is too high to ignore. Want to see off-road dominance? The Valmet 840.3 forwarder is your go-to machine. It powers through the roughest terrains, keeping productivity high and downtime low. Even in the toughest conditions, it delivers. This forwarder takes efficiency to a whole new level. These logs are in for an epic adventure. Imagine timber starting its journey deep in Orova's forests and floating hundreds of miles by water to Jud's Senyo La Penranta. It's an incredible mix of nature and human ingenuity. Wood moving across vast distances, one log at a time. Meet the NHS 450F, the future of renewable energy production. This machine doesn't just process wood, it turns it into sustainable fuel. As demand for biomass grows, the NHS 450F leads the way in making the world a cleaner, greener place. It's not just about logs, it's about a better future. Next up, the Lumberjack 450, a timber handling marvel. Its 360-degree rotation and hidden shear blade let it grab, cut, and stack timber with precision and ease. No snags, no slowdowns, just smooth, efficient logging action. Built to tackle the biggest challenges, this machine is as tough as they come. Struggling with stubborn stumps? The Kobelco SK160 and Ripper Duo are here to save the day. With raw power and surgical precision, they turn root removal into a breeze. Say goodbye to your stump troubles and hello to faster, smoother operations with these two by your side. Meet the king of the forest, the Ponce Scorpion King Harvester. This award-winning machine defies gravity and tackles any terrain with ease. Its panoramic cabin offers a view fit for royalty, while you control 10,000 pounds of pure harvesting power. Ready to rule the woods? This machine sure is. The Vermeer BC2000 takes wood chipping to new heights. Powered by a 147-kilowatt engine, this machine devours logs at a blazing 149 beats per minute. For any large-scale operation, It's a game changer, maximizing productivity and cutting down processing time. Watch it in action and see for yourself. Need precise, efficient cuts without wasting material? The GSN 240 frame saw delivers. With an ultra-thin 2.3mm kerf and 10 to 12 kilowatt power usage, it maximizes output while keeping costs low. For just $19,000, this is the ultimate tool for any serious woodworking operation. Marvel at the unstoppable power of the 56-inch circular saw, still slicing with razor-sharp precision after 50 years. A towering 14-foot cottonwood with a 33-inch diameter? Easy work. In just 3 minutes, it brings down a century of life. In just 3 minutes, a century crashes to the ground. Standing before the fallen giant, we are reminded of how small we truly are. Every moment of this video is a tribute to nature's power and the skillful hands of the lumberjack who respects it. Cutting trees isn't just about raw power. It's about precision and mastery. Enter the Bell 8000, a 125 horsepower wood-burning beast that transforms massive tree trunks into perfect firewood in the blink of an eye. Each strike brings forth beautifully split logs, effortless and precise. Speed alone doesn't define mastery. The Raptor HWI RT 800 steps in to clear even the most stubborn stumps, grinding them back into the earth. This is how we rebuild forests, creating a sustainable future for generations to come, one careful move at a time. They say, never cut the branch you're sitting on. Well, it turns out that applies to tree trunks too. Thankfully, this guy had a lucky escape, and it's a lesson we won't forget anytime soon. Here comes the Cat 323. Not just an excavator, but a true beast with a 172 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine and an unstoppable digging arm. It rips through even the toughest stumps with ease, leaving nothing in its path. Watch as sheer power meets flawless precision. Seasoned loggers never forget. It's not the treacherous mountain paths that leave a mark, but the simple moments. The hum of the cab, the smell of diesel, and the sight of pines bathed in summer sun. These quiet memories are what truly stand the test of time. Presenting the Mark II tree shear from RSL UK, crafted to perfection with 360-degree rotation, effortlessly tackling the toughest hardwoods. It's more than a tool, it's a revolution in forestry. Built for power, precision, and the promise of a smarter, sustainable future. Never forget, safety comes first, always. In a heartbeat, a simple helmet can be the line between life and catastrophe. It's not just gear, it's your lifeline, the one thing standing between you and the unexpected dangers of the job. Protect yourself, always.
It's in there. It came through the window and came.
I've never witnessed such skill and courage in an operator before. Handling a skidder is no small feat, but in the hands of a true master, it becomes an unstoppable force, capable of overcoming any obstacle with precision and unwavering confidence. At last, the giant falls. The Woodpecker WP50 chipper is here to transform small-scale forestry like never before. With unmatched efficiency, versatility, and sustainability, it's not just a tool, it's a game changer, paving the way for the future of forestry. Year after year, the forestry industry has evolved beyond recognition. Logging is no longer just hard labor. It's a powerful symbol of technological innovation and responsible resource management, where tradition meets progress to shape a sustainable future. On these rugged slopes, bringing down a century-old cedar is far more than just a task. It's a graceful, masterful dance. Every swing, every step, is a carefully calculated move, a delicate balance between power and precision, honoring nature's majesty. Behold the R63-5B frame saw, a legend in every lumber mill. Though aging, its raw power and precision remain unmatched. This iconic machine continues to captivate, a symbol of timeless craftsmanship and the enduring art of woodworking. And that's a wrap on today's woodworking adventure. Until next time, keep your blades sharp and your creativity sharper. If you're ready for more inspiring projects and epic craftsmanship, don't forget to subscribe and join us for the next journey.